Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever accidentally clicked discard all changes instead of stage all changes in Visual Studio Code and felt your heart drop? We have all been there, watching hours of work just vanish. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to recover those deleted files and discarded changes without needing any third-party extensions. Let's get right to it. Visual Studio Code actually has a lifesaver feature built right in called Local History. To access it, open up your editor and press Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows or Command-Shift-P on a Mac. This opens up your command palette at the very top of the window. In that search bar, type in Local History. You are looking for an option that says Local History: Find Entry to Restore. Go ahead and click on that. A new drop-down menu will appear showing a list of your recently changed or deleted files. Scroll through this list until you find the exact file you accidentally wiped out and select it. Once you click the file, VS Code will ask you which specific time-stamped version you want to recover. Pick the one from right before your mistake. The editor will then open up a comparison window showing your current broken file right next to the fully restored version, or it will just open the recovered file entirely so you can save it back to your project. And that's it. Your lost code is officially back from the dead. If this quick rescue guide saved your project today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know how much code you almost lost, and I will see you in the next one.